What's up, Nerd Crew? Nurdie J here, and today we're going to continue on building this Gundam Sandrock 144 scale. And today we are going to be building its legs, so it can finally stand. Without further ado, cue the intro. Alright, so before we start off, I'm feeling under the weather right now. I'm pretty sure I'm starting to get bronchitis a bit. So as the weeks go on, I will possibly be getting worse. Don't know, because I'm going to be recording the rest of these videos for Sandrock today. And I got his parts handy right here in this box. I got my clipper right here. And I got the tweezers that I've been using. So, yeah, let's continue on. with a quick bit of cleanup and then rearranging of the Shenlong Gundam, we'll take and put together the final parts. And so we take the foot, we take the leg, we got a slot here and a slot there. Put that in. Like so. And that just keels over. And the same with this leg. And then we bring in our core. And then you take and slide them onto those pegs. Like that. And like that, re-putting on the foot. After I get this back on. So. Like. Come on. It angled up, that's why. Bring that down. There we go. And now we have pretty much a completed body of Sandrock. So join us next time for the finale of the build, where I build his weapons and his backpack. I've been Nurdie J for Nurdie Boys, and I'll catch you next time.